Hello students, welcome back to the fourth part of hydrocarbons. Today we are going to discuss about aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are also known as arenes. They are of two types, benzenoid compounds as well as non-benzenoid compounds. Benzenoid compounds are aromatic compounds which contains at least one benzene ring in it. Non-benzenoid compounds are aromatic compounds which does not contain a benzene ring. Here are some examples: benzene, toluene, naphthalene, biphenyl, etc. Next, let us see the nomenclature and isomerism. Aromatic compounds are named with benzene as the parent chain. No number is needed for monosubstituted benzene since all the ring positions are identical. Here we have some examples. Here on benzene ring, methyl group as well as chlorine is substituted. So the names are methyl benzene, or it is also called toluene, and we have chlorobenzene. When two groups are attached to benzene, the ring is numbered to give the lower numbers to the side groups. So the way in which you have to number in such a way that they must get lower numbers. Here 1 and 2 positions, first case we get dimethyl benzene, 2 methyl groups are there, and if they are in the first and third positions, so it will be numbered as 1,3 dimethyl benzene, and if it is in the first and fourth positions, it will be written as 1,4 dimethyl benzene. They are also called orthosilane, metasilane, and parasilane. Some substituted benzene rings also use a common name. Then, naming with additional more side groups use ortho, meta, para systems. So here we have an example of methyl benzene that we commonly call it as toluene. Now if the substituent is present in the meta position, we will write a meta-chlorotoluene, and if there is a hydroxyl group present on benzene ring, we call it as hydroxybenzene, but generally we call them as phenols. Next we have structure of benzene. Benzene is a flat symmetrical molecule. Its molecular formula is C6H6. It has alternating 3 carbon-carbon double bond and 3 single bonds. Benzene's relatively lack of chemical reactivity is due to its structure. There are 2 possible structures with alternating double bond and single bonds. Now we shall see the resonance and stability of benzene. The hybrid structure is represented by inserting a circle or a dotted circle in the hexagon, as you could see in the figure. All the 6 carbon atoms in benzene are sp2 hybridized. Each carbon atom is now left with one unhybridized p orbital perpendicular to the plane of the ring. The unhybridized p orbital of carbon atoms form a pi bond by lateral overlap. As you can see in the figure, there are alternate positions, p orbitals are overlapped. 2 different types of resonating structures you could see. Presence of delocalized pi electrons in benzene make it more stable than hypothetical cyclohexatriene. Next we shall look at what is aromaticity. Aromatic compounds follow Huckel's rule. Let's see their characteristics. They have planarity, means they can be represented in a plane. Complete delocalization of pi electrons in the ring. Presence of 4n plus 2 pi electrons in the ring where n is an integer, where n can be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Here we have, first example, n is equal to 1. We have benzene cyclopentadienyl anion and cycloheptatrienyl cation. These two are non-benzenoid compound which is aromatic in nature, and when N is equal to 2 we have naphthalene with 10 pi electrons. Now let's move on to the preparation of benzene. It can be prepared by cyclic polymerization of ethyne, as we have already discussed in the last module. 3 molecules of ethyne polymerize to form benzene in a red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin. Another way of preparation is by the decarboxylation of aromatic acids. Sodium salt of benzoic acid on heating with soda lime gives benzene. How to prepare this? Sodium salt of benzoic acid on heating with the soda lime gives benzene. Another method is by the reduction of phenol. By passing phenol vapors over heated zinc dust, benzene is formed. So this is another method of preparation. It's by passing phenol vapors over heated zinc dust, benzene is formed. Next we have the physical properties. Aromatic hydrocarbons are non-polar molecules and are usually colorless liquids or solids with a characteristic aroma. Aroma means smell. Aromatic hydrocarbons are immiscible with water but are readily miscible with organic solvents. These are the main physical properties of aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are non-polar molecules and are usually colorless liquids or solids with a characteristic smell, and they are immiscible in water but are readily miscible with the organic solvents. Let's move on to the chemical properties. Arenes are characterized by electrophilic substitution reactions. So the main characteristic feature of arenes are they are characterized by electrophilic substitution reactions. First we have nitration. A nitro group is introduced into benzene ring when benzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. So this is our first electrophilic substitution reaction. Here one hydrogen is replaced by one nitro group. A nitro group is introduced into benzene ring when benzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Next we have halogenation. Halogen is substituted. Arenes react with halogens in presence of Lewis acid to yield haloarenes. So here you could see halogen is substituted instead of hydrogen when the reaction is proceeded in presence of a Lewis acid like anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous means without any presence of water molecule in it. Next we have sulfonation reaction. The replacement of hydrogen atom by a sulfonic acid group in a ring is called sulfonation. So on reacting with the sulfuric acid, sulfo group, that is SO3H, is substituted instead of a hydrogen atom and they form benzene sulfonic acid. So that is called sulfonation. Next we have Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Here alkyl group is substituted. Name of the scientist only, Friedel-Crafts. So here when benzene is treated with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, alkyl benzene is formed. So when benzene is treated with alkyl halide, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, what we have got? Alkyl benzene is formed. That is, here in this particular reaction, benzene reacts with the C2H5Cl. It produces ethyl benzene. Next we have Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, where acyl group is substituted. The reaction of benzene with acyl halide or acid anhydride in presence of Lewis acids yields acyl benzene. First case we have benzene plus acetyl chloride gives acetophenone, and benzene plus acetic anhydride. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, we have got acetophenone. This type of reactions are electrophilic substitution reaction, in which this is an example of acylation reaction. Acyl group is substituted. If excess of electrophilic reagent is used, further substitution reaction takes place. Like in case of halogenation, halogen is substituted in all the places of hydrogen and it forms a hexachlorobenzene. Means all the hydrogen atoms present in benzene ring are replaced by chlorine atoms. This case comes when excess amount of electrophilic reagent is used. The mechanisms of electrophilic substitution reactions we will discuss in the coming module. Thank you and have a nice day.